No. 5.
Hey everyone, get ready for some hilarious moments, unexpected fails, and plenty of laughs.
عمي يلا.
Oh, it's so pretty.
She lost her balance and landed on the paddleboard, but she was fine. This happened in a controlled play area, and she was okay. The board quit before they were ready. They were wearing life jackets for this kind of ride. Luckily, both girls were completely fine. He clearly wasn't ready for that surprise.
That's how we start the day. I hope the camera caught that.
That play definitely didn't go as intended. This playful dog had its own little prank planned. That was definitely not the punch he had in mind.
The timer starts now. 5.
She slipped and fell, but thankfully she was okay. That looked rough, but he was fine. Nothing serious happened, just a harmless little fall. She wasn't watching behind her and ended up falling. Looks like he finally met his match. The slide looked fun, but the splashdown went wrong.
Zaya.
Did you do it?
Looks like the bar wasn't letting that slide. That shot came with a happy reaction. She stepped down and ended up taking a fall. The hammock fought back, and thankfully he was okay.
I'ma show you. I'ma make you cry.
You busted.
Hold on tight when riding and back. Luckily, she was fine. That was scary, but luckily he was fine. Safety comes first, and he was completely fine. A little extra caution on the road goes a long way. Safety always comes first, and both girls were fine. Thankfully, she was okay after that.
What kind of angle is this? Oh my!
They slipped off the rail, but thankfully both were okay. That was one seriously crazy shot. That vehicle picked the perfect time to retire. It looked surprising, but it was just a ball. Looks like he was a little salty with the kid after that. A little extra caution can prevent a fall like this. That water entry turned into an awkward fail. The guardrail stopped him in the most awkward way, but he was fine. Luckily, she was completely fine. That jump clearly did not follow his plan. He lost his balance there, but luckily he was okay. That looked rough, but luckily he was okay.
Live check.
Like poking hard.
That looked rough, but she was fine.
Juice, bada gilas, 20 रुपए.
He was running just fine until his feet gave out.
Almost a hole in one.
You fucks.
Yes. Come on. Don't kick me.
That playful dog just had to join the action. Good news, he came out just fine.
Kick flip.
Thanks for watching. If these funny moments made you laugh, Don't forget to come back for more.